Hey there, if you're dealing with the Safari cannot open because the address is invalid error on your iPhone, I totally understand how frustrating that can be. This problem usually pops up because of incorrect URLs, network hiccups, or even some corrupted data. But don't worry, I've got some simple steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check the URL for errors. First, make sure the website address you typed in is accurate. Next, look for any typos or extra characters that might have into the URL. If you spot any mistakes, try retyping the address or using a different link altogether. Solution 2. Restart Safari and your iPhone. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Look for Safari in the list of apps that are currently open. Swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it completely. Now go ahead and restart your iPhone. Once your phone is back on, reopen Safari and try accessing the website again. Solution 3. Clear Safari cache and data. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to find the App section. Next, scroll down and select Safari. After that, scroll down again and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Confirm what you just selected by tapping Clear History and Data. This process will help get rid of any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Solution 4. Check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Ensure that you're connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're having issues, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. You might also want to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Solution 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. If VPN is turned on, go ahead and toggle it off. Sometimes VPNs can block access to certain websites. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open Settings on your iPhone once more. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset your network settings, including any Wi-Fi passwords, but don't worry, it won't delete any of your personal data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Safari cannot open because the address is invalid error on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get back to browsing smoothly.